Hey everyone, it's Mr. Anderson, and we're going to be doing a little work on this book called At the Amusement Park by Jen Voigt. And amusement parks are a lot of fun. I like to go with my family and friends and have fun, eat good food, and go on a lot of rides. Um, like I said, we're going to be doing this book and some activities with it for a little bit, and the more we practice, the better we'll get. So, at the amusement park, Zach is at the amusement park. The merry-go-round moves slowly. The roller coaster moves fast. The pirate ship moves back and forth. The water on the water slide moves down. The dart moves in the air. What would you try? Which ride would you like to go on the most? The end. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun reading that book with me at the amusement park. And we got to see a lot of different rides, the pirate ship, the roller coaster, and when they threw the darts. Okay? All right. I'll see you later.